Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we're going to have a look of how to use the assembly environment in SolidWorks. By using assembly, we can avoid any incorrect design problems that might not be noticeable in the part environment. In this tutorial, we will see how we can bring parts together, how to assemble them, and test them if they actually fit each other for the purpose that they have been designed for. Imagine that you are a designer in a company, in a manufacturing company. If you skip this assemble environment process and you go direct to the drawing, and then the drawing goes to the manufacturer, any fault found in the manufacturing process has to go back to the beginning, to the designer, and fix that problem. So it's gonna cost more money for the company to go back to you to fix it and then go back again to the manufacturing process. So the assemble environment, this assembly environment in SolidWorks is very important for a product that follows the manufacturing process. In the following tutorial, we will see how we can begin using the assembly environment in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching, see you next tutorial.